have already built up nails and we are just going to do this over them. So I am putting this on, and then we are going to use gold foil all over these two nails. My foil here, I am going to press down. I'm not worried if there are creases in it, which I expect there will be. All right, I'm going to top coat this because I'm going to go over with the gel paints. You're going to start your stripes. I am doing the colors 2 stripes and then moving on to the next color. On my middle finger, I just want more of the gold to show, so I'm just doing all the colors, but I'm only gonna do one line. Now I am taking that like pixie dust and we are sugaring this. I'm coming in with that pink paint and we are going to do 2 layers, matte top coat it, and then build out our flower. Alright, I am top coating. I'm sorry the crystals were not shown. I forgot to record. I am so sorry.
We are taking the orange and yellow paints again to ombre these. It's actually quite difficult because they're very sticky, where normally like gel polish is not sticky. So what I like to do here is choose colors that are really, really complementary to each other. And since I'm adding gold anyway, I wasn't too worried about it. But just have fun with it. Don't be so hard on yourself.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.